Benguet Tayo Farm. These are the cactus that I can explain to you. First cactus, some of them go straight up. They are in different sizes, and don't touch them because they have spikes.
Even the smallest.
Even the smallest ones. And some of them shaped like an apple. Some of them go straight up. Some of them looks like a leaves like this. Some of them looks like an animal.
Yes. How about that? It looks like a caterpillar.
Yes.
Those are also cactus.
All of this what you're seeing are cactus. Some of them still looks like an apple, but there's some red also at the top.
What's that?
Don't touch it.
No, touchy. I think that's the flower of the cactus.
Some of them have flowers. Some of them has very large thorns. Look, I'm scared of that. I'm scared of that. I'm not touching that. I'm not going near that. Some of them looks like a papaya that just fell down. And I'm really scared of them.
That
One
looks
of them
like
looks like pumpkin.
a cucumber.
Pumpkins and a cucumber. Some of them, what is that? That looks like a nest. Some of them
Is that a
has-
cactus? Why?
Looks like it has legs. Some of them are so scary, especially that. Some of them looks like a giant spiky apple. I'm not touching those. There are also giant coffee beans. Oh, it looks yummy. Should I eat one of them? Should I eat one of them? Should I eat it?
Like say plants, coffee, life.
Tuchi? Want to cheat? No, these are nice. Ooh, heart-shaped flowers. So nice, right? Imagine you're in a place filled with flowers. Look up there. And look at this. What type of flowers are these then? They just Hello! Next is the bridge. Ew! I hate that one. It looks like Shrek. I was thinking about Shrek.
Come on, let's try the labyrinth.